Could you ever imagine a world where humans and robots work side by side, not as masters and servants, but as partners in a shared mission? Welcome to the fascinating realm of human-robot collaboration. Imagine a bustling factory floor, where humans and robots work seamlessly together. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a real-life example from BMW's car manufacturing plant in South Carolina. Here, collaborative robots, also known as cobots, aid human workers in complex, heavy-duty tasks, reducing the strain on the human workforce and increasing overall productivity. They're not replacing human workers, but enhancing their abilities and making their jobs safer and more efficient. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Take the case of the Hitchbot, a hitchhiking robot from Canada. In 2015, Hitchbot embarked on a journey across America, relying solely on the kindness of strangers. Sadly, the journey ended prematurely in Philadelphia, where Hitchbot was vandalized. This incident highlighted the challenges of human-robot interactions, underscoring the need for a deeper understanding and acceptance of robots in our society. In the medical field, human-robot collaboration has been nothing short of revolutionary. The Da Vinci surgical system, a robot-assisted surgery platform, allows surgeons to perform intricate procedures with unprecedented precision. Yet, despite its capabilities, the robot is merely an extension of the surgeon who remains in control of every surgical maneuver. This synergy of human expertise and robotic precision has improved patient outcomes and reduced recovery times. However, even with such advancements, ethical questions arise. What happens when things go wrong during a robot-assisted surgery? Who bears the responsibility? The human surgeon or the robot manufacturer? The answer is far from clear, highlighting the need for robust legal frameworks to govern human-robot collaborations. And then there's the incredible story of the Mars rover, a robot that has been exploring the Red Planet for the past 2 decades, sending valuable data back to its human colleagues on Earth. This long-distance collaboration has expanded our understanding of Mars and the possibilities for future human exploration. Yet it also brings into focus the challenges of communication and control in such remote collaborations. In sum, human-robot collaboration holds immense potential for enhancing human capabilities, improving efficiency, and opening new frontiers of exploration. Real-world examples from manufacturing, healthcare, and space exploration illustrate this potential. However, they also underscore the challenges that need to be addressed, including societal acceptance of robots, ethical dilemmas, and issues of communication and control. As we continue to navigate this shared journey with our robotic partners, we must strive to foster a harmonious coexistence, where humans and robots complement each other's strengths, overcome each other's weaknesses, and together shape a future that's more than the sum of its parts.